Hey y'all, show you what I got on my Prepper 2 haul. Let's go over and get started. I picked some of these up and everything just in case there's a shortage or anything else coming on these. Plus the prices is going up major everywhere on tools too, just like the food. That's a plier set. It's got wire pliers, wire cutters, needle nose pliers, and channel lock pliers in it. That's what you see right there. And Kobalt, it's pretty well underrated. This stuff's pretty good stuff. They're still doing a pretty good job on this stuff, but you can get it at Lowe's. And I got them. You can't have enough of them. Them extensions. That's a 10-piece set on a 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and a 1/2 inch drive. The long ones, medium size, small, reducers. Get a close up for you. Them's just good to have on hand. Alright. Show you what I got right here. Drill set. Drill bit set, I mean. By Skil. That's pretty decent quality. And that comes in handy all the time, especially for solar or anything to do with wiring or anything. You need to have them right there. Them connector caps. It's got good many in there too. 158 piece. And here's another set. A dewalt 37-piece screwdriver set. It was pretty strong too. And here's another. I like this because it's got that little box with it too. It lets you organize, keep up with them a lot better. You don't lose as many. Ryobi. That's pretty good too. That's a 50-piece set. Them impact bits. All different sizes. Alright, got a pack of them. And 3 different sizes. Alright. Got a cobalt screwdriver set. 20-piece set. Plus a bottle cap remover. And I'll tell you the truth, I hadn't used one of them in years. But I like the looks of it, to tell you the truth. It's got pretty color. And these screwdrivers, I've used them, they're pretty good quality. Alright, another dewalt set. And these, they're good ones. That's the 32 piece, as you see. Alright, let's go to the Craftsman. And these are probably Chinese made, which most everything's made in China now, but they're decent quality still. They're probably not as good as they used to be, but they'll get you by. This is a 14-piece set. Alright, there you have it, guys. Give you another idea what they look like. Try to give you some close-ups so you can see them. We always gonna need tools, especially if times gets tough. Especially if something breaks down. Something always does usually break down sometimes. Wish it didn't, but it just does. Stuff's gonna break down. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and y'all have a good day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you subscribe.